You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand, as well as how to say more brand names that too many mispronounced and get confused by. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Italian, being an Italian brand, this is said as Kappa, Kappa. You do want to stress on that double P, because double P makes it twice as long in Italian, Kappa. So in English, Kappa, Kappa. Kappa is how it's generally said. Kappa from Italian, Kappa. And now, you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of brand names that too many get wrong. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.